This could have possibly been the worst pack break of the day. This could possibly have been the worst pack break ever. And it wasn't the cards, because it was retail, you know, what do you expect? It was the person opening the packs. Just saying. What up, YouTube? Coming at you here with a break in honor of Jeter Demand 1. Saw Everett's video last night with the NASCAR. It made me want to break some NASCAR. I haven't broken any of this stuff since I was like probably 2000. So I know there's no guaranteed hits. It was like 40% off. So let's do it. Let's get some hits. So we're gonna shing-a-ling. So that was nice. Very, very nice. A lot of positivity going on today. I've been really dead, but I have noticed a lot of the videos. Some I've commented, some I haven't, because some of them actually like passed out when I was watching. So what can you do? One of these would look nice, but it's alright. Yeah. Huh? Let's get some Kmart Mojo. We could get 5 packs. Yeah. Fathead. I was gonna try and do this the old school, like with the camera facing that way, but I'm not gonna think too hard or try anything. Just gonna break some shit. Here we go. Pack 1. Not expecting anything big or anything at all. Just, here we go. Got some Jeff Burton. What's a headliner? Ron Newman and Kurt Busch. They both suck. Just saying. Brian. Never heard of this fag. Clausen. Here he is. What up, Wenzel? 888. Dale Jr. Junebug. So that's nice. And I believe that is, what the hell's his name? Tony Yeri Jr. So, some junior love. Oh, Casey Kane. So, next pack. Jimmy, I like to cheat, Johnson. Kurt, Kyle, Cry Me a River Bush. We got Dario Franchitti, Cockpit. Oh, that's different. It's like a I don't know. Tony. I'm not gonna try any of these nicknames, but Tony Stewart. And Brian, I got a hole in my heart, Vickers. So it's kind of messed up. Let me say that. But 2 packs left. Oh shit! That was quick. Dario French. Jesus, this is a Dario Franchitti hot box. Oh, we got an insert of a bum. Marcus Ambrose. Who has that? Insert of Jeff Burton. Some kind of like pretty nice. Just the wrong driver. Another insert of, maybe it's not an insert. Social Hour, Martin Truex Jr. The other thing I noticed was a chick in the background. Let's get a shot of her. Come on. Whatever. Apparently she don't look good enough. And Eric Almanala. Yeah, whatever. Last pack. Sucks. I'm at 5 minutes already. Fuck. Kevin Harvick. Junebug. That's sick. Shifting Gears, Headliners. 2008. That's pretty cool. Sorry, Winslow, I just stole your Junebug. Cockpit of Kyle. I've never won a race, Petty. Juan Pablo, give me some Juicy Fruit Montoya. So, and last card, J.J. Yeley. So, whatever. Basically the best cards were 2 juniors, obviously. The insert of Jeff Burton, and I think that's about it. That sucked, but hey, rest in peace, Billy. And that's all I got. This is one of the longest. Just imagine if I break a whole box. It'd be like an hour-long video. So that's it from me. I'm out. Peace.